Hi friends, Janine Pennant, brand ambassador for Go RVing and founder of Girl Camper. Today, I'm taking it up a notch with pie iron grilled cheese. The first thing, start with cast iron pie irons. They require seasoning and care, but if you take good care of these, you're going to be using them 20 years from now. I hit the inside of mine with a little olive oil, and then I took the extra step to get some sourdough bread from the bakery. I cut it down so it fits inside exactly the size of my pie iron. I hit it with some seasoned butter. We did a video a couple years ago on seasoned butter, but if you want a quick seasoned butter, just put a room temperature stick of butter in a Ziploc bag, garlic powder, salt, pepper, oregano, whatever seasonings you want, and give the outside of that a little extra flavor. So I'm going to put these in my pie iron, face down in that olive oil, all ready to go. A block of Gouda cheese. So if you buy the shredded cheese at the grocery store, it's got things in it to keep it from sticking together. I'm starting with a block of Gouda. I'm shredding it myself, and it's going to be so creamy and melt so fast. And I'm going to stick these things together. Got a nice seal on that. And today we're hitting it on our little Weber because of wind. We have a fire ban, and we're going to come back in a couple minutes, and this is going to be golden delicious. I hear sizzling. That's a good sound. And I'm going to get this thing off here. I can smell it, and I hear it. Yum. Crispy, creamy, salty cheese, firm butter, sourdough bread, bowl of tomato soup, you're good to go. This is Janine Pennant. Check it all out at GoRVing.com.